I found A&E Brothers online. I gave him a call. Army looked around. He took note of what I wanted and what he needed to do, and he got things done rather quickly.
A&E Brothers 工作人員咧非常之負責，好早開工，佢哋咧好勤力，做啲手工咧幾好，我都幾中意，非常之乾淨，多謝佢哋。
Oh, it was just my grandmother's old home. It was very old. The floors felt uneven. Plumbing was an issue. Army came and looked it over and helped us refurnish everything, make everything look better. Oh yes, everything is very nice. It's very even, it's very strong, sturdy, and the floor again, I would like to reiterate, is very even because before it wasn't even, but now everything is much better. Oh yes, the bathroom is very clean. A&E Brothers did a great job with the bathrooms. It looks very clean, very bright, very energetic in a way.
Fashion.
Yeah, it's very fashionable. Yes, he evened out the walls. Everything is much cleaner. Armin, yes, when I call him, he answers very quickly. If I text him, he answers very quickly. And yeah, he's very professional. Yeah, he is very early. He's always on time. When Armin came from A&E Brothers, he knew what he was doing. He looked around, and every time that there was like something a little off, he would just know what to do. If like with the employees, he tells them what to do. We have what we want and we have what we like.
佢同我哋設計添啊，同我哋整好即係咩嘢咩房間喺邊度，啲地方邊度細，整翻邊度大，佢自己設計，幫我哋設計，幾好，我都幾中意。
I will recommend Armin from A&E Brothers to all my friends and family because he does know what he was doing and we have what we like. Yes, if I need A&E Brothers again, I will hire them back.
Thank you, everybody. Hardwood. Thank you.